Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to share your screen with audio in a channel video chat on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. This feature is super helpful when you want to present something directly from your computer while keeping the audio intact. Perfect for meetings, tutorials, or streaming content with your audience. Let's get straight to the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, open the channel where you want to start the video chat. This could be any channel where you have the necessary permissions to initiate a video session. Once you're in the channel, look at the top right corner and click on the video chat icon to start the video chat session. Now that the video chat is running, look for the three dots menu, usually located in the top right or top left corner of the video chat window. Click on these three dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Share Screen. This will open a new window where you can select what exactly you want to share. Here's an important part. Before you hit the Share button, make sure to check the box labeled Share System Audio. This ensures that any sound coming from your computer, whether it's a video, music, or any app audio, will be shared with everyone in the video chat. After selecting the screen or specific window you wish to share and ticking the audio box, click the Share Screen button. Your screen and system audio will now be broadcast live in the channel's video chat. That's it. You can now interact with your viewers and share both visuals and sound seamlessly on Telegram. If you want to stop sharing, simply go back to the video chat controls and click to stop the screen sharing. Sharing your screen with audio on Telegram's PC app has never been easier, especially with this new update. It's a fantastic way to enhance your live sessions and keep your audience engaged.